how to sort my games by recently played or alphabetical in Gaming Hub on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or the S23. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And in here, swipe across and locate Gaming Hub and then open it. After that, you want to tap on the More button here. Next, tap on the Option button. Then tap on Sort. From here, you can choose to sort your games by alphabetical, or you can sort them by recently played. And that's it. Select one of the two options and then tap on the back key to go back to your Gaming Hub, or tap on the Home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.